Have a healthy twist with these fusion recipes like carrot halwa millet muffins. Millet powder 75 grams, maida all purpose flour 75 grams, almonds and cashews half cup each, baking powder 3/4 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, sugar 50 grams, butter 75 grams, condensed milk. This is really yum and do give it a try. So take the butter, add sugar and condensed milk and beat it. Take around 1 cup of ready-made carrot halwa. This is homemade carrot halwa. So I'm just making this into another fusion recipe. So this almost you can take around 1 cup of it. Beat this as well into it. Since this has a lot of milk solids, milk powder, everything into it, we're just going to add some water into it and we're not going to add milk or any other liquid. Half a cup of water and adding it to it. I'm just retaining half. I've just added 1/4 cup of water. And then add the remaining half cup. Scrape the sides well, and if you need the recipe for this malai carrot halwa, do message me. I'll send you the recipe. This is a special recipe which is there on my YouTube. Now the millet mixture goes here and the maida. Now one more hack is you can just add this nuts directly into this and then sift it. Baking powder and the baking soda also. Give it a good stir. Now just mix it well. Keep stirring. You can add some more water to it. Around little bit more than 1/4 cup of water. Keep on however much you want to add it little by little. So now it's all ready. Now in this cupcake pan, one more trick is mix the nuts what you're going to sprinkle on top with little bit of dry flour. Sprinkle lavishly on top of it. Bake it in an oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 20 minutes. So we're going to make this fondant car. You can use this mold, but it's a little bit tricky to use this mold. Many people will do it the other way. I'll just show it to you. Now actually I have mixed this fondant with a little bit of Tylose powder, any brand you can take. So see, some people can do it like this, okay, but what you can do is, if you do this, you will only get it like this, okay, and then you will have to, it will be difficult. Okay, all this will come. Okay, this is one way many people will do. What I would like to suggest is put it upside down and then roll it like this, okay, and then what you can do, carve out the windows and see, can you see how cleaner it is? See, all this, and this is cleaner. And then we will do the wheels in the similar way. We need very less for the wheels. Use a little bit of corn flour to dust your table. And using the similar method, now what you will do is, you are carving out the wheels which you are going to use. Take a little bit of water and then so this is your pretty car. You can use these and see, look at the finish. Just by changing the method of taking the dye, we have created a little more perfect thing than this, you know, see. So happy baking. Now we'll just see how we will add double color to this cupcake creaming and frosting. I've taken a petal nozzle, I'm adding light blue because blue is a favorite of many people, and then just smush it like that. Okay, smush it like this, and then add your whipped cream to it. So now you will have a double colored. Take a peek like this. So now here what we'll do, we'll add the color to this. Let us see what color we get. It's a nice light green. You can also do like this, not mix it well. You'll have a very nice marble effect. Okay, don't need to mix it fully. Just hold it like that. If you have a long glass, add it into that also. Now we'll give a nice rosette to it. This is one way. You can also do this. And then you can sprinkle it. So cute, no? So this lovely cart of cupcakes is ready for you. So first of all, we have to check whether these are baked properly. So the check is insert a thing and it comes out clean. So all the cupcakes are clean and it's all well risen and it's fully healthy. If you want, you can indulge in a little bit of ghee on top of this so that it will be really nice. Just apply a little bit of ghee on it because basically it's carrot halwa, no, malai carrot halwa. And if you need the recipe for this malai carrot halwa, DM me and I'll send it to you. Okay, so now this is really ready and it looks, see, look at how it looks. You can just see how it looks. All the goodness of carrot inside and see how spongy it is. Happy baking!